Okay guys, welcome back to another video. I haven't posted on this channel in a while, but about like 3 or 4 days ago, I got a new dirt bike. And I parked it in my garage, but do y'all hear that in the background? It got stolen, and I'm pretty sure this guy has my dirt bike because I've been hearing it for about 3 days, like driving on his property and stuff. So I'm gonna go check and see if it is my dirt bike. If it's not, then I don't know. Before it got stolen, I never heard dirt bike like sounds or anything in this guy's property. But now after, do y'all hear that? But now after it got stolen, I hear dirt bike sounds like every day. So yeah. I'm pretty sure it is the dirt bike. I don't know though. I could just be mistaken. But yeah, this is, wait, hold on. That is my dirt bike. Hold on, hold on, I'm gonna go hide behind the dumpster. That was my dirt bike. I could tell by the color and everything. Okay. I'm gonna go try to take the dirt bike back. So yeah. There it is. That's the bike. Oh crap. He was about to ride it again. I don't know how I'm gonna get this back. I'm behind a dumpster right now, a red dumpster. The dirt bike is in that big shop thingy. There's like flies and stuff all around here. I don't know where the dirt bike is. It's right there. He's trying to start it. Why is it so shaky? He's trying to start the bike. It's so shaky. I don't know if you could see that, but oh crap. Look at the dirt bike. Right there. It's so shaky, guys. I'm sorry. Oh, it stopped. Guys, I don't know if he broke the bike or something. But oh crap. Oh crap. Who is this little kid? I don't know who this little kid is. What?
Me too.
What?
Me too.
Who are you?
Me.
Who's... Little kid, who are you? What the heck? This kid's gonna blow my cover. The dirt bike's over there. I'm gonna try. Guys, I don't know how I'm gonna get this back. He's right there. Guys, he's right there. The bike is right there. The bike.
Hello.
What is wrong with you? Shut up. Who are you?
Benjamin.
Guys, I got the bike! I got the bike! I'm on the bike. What the heck? He's on a foot! What the heck? Guys, I got the bike! Finally. Hold on. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap! Let's go! I got your bike back, let's go! He's right there! Guys? He's right there! Oh!